This course, Creating Simple BOMs, describes how to create and work with simple BOMs in Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012. Simple BOMs do not require BOM versions and they need not be attached to items at the initial or during planning stages. In Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012, BOMs can be created either from the Bill of Materials form or from the Release Product form. Simple BOMs that are not yet associated with items or that are in the initial planning stages are created in the Bill of Material form. User can create and modify as many simple BOMs as they want to without having to worry about attaching any items to them. BOMs that are associated with the items can be created using the Release Product form. For more information about BOMs that are associated with items, refer to the Creating BOMs with Version video tutorials. In this session, we will focus on creating the simple BOM using the Bill of Material form. Let us take an overview of the Bill of Materials form. Bill of Material form is divided into an upper and a lower section. The upper section shows the already existing BOMs that are in the company, and the lower section shows the BOM versions that are defined for each BOM that is selected. Basically, by creating a BOM version, we can link a BOM with one or more items. By clicking on the Lines button, we can add a BOM Components to this BOM. We will create a simple bicycle BOM using the BOM form. BOM bicycle is made up from wheels, handlebar, pedals and so on. Again, wheel is a sub-BOM which is made up from tire valve, tire and spokes. And tire valve is made up from bolt, nut and cap. BOM construction should happen from bottom to top because without tire valve we cannot assemble the wheel, and without wheel we cannot assemble the bicycle. We will first create a tire valve BOM, followed by a wheel BOM and finally bicycle BOM. So in total we will create 3 BOMs. Let us review the product demonstration about how to create a simple BOM using the BOM form. Let us look at the Release Product form first. As you can see here, all the required components to assemble the bicycle have already been created. We assume that user is already familiar about how to create a new release product in AX. So if we look at our finished good bicycle, it's being offered in the different colors, sizes and configuration. It has a configuration C1, 3 sizes, small, medium and large, and blue, orange and yellow, 3 colors. So this also means that we need a tire of 3 different sizes and wheel of 3 different sizes. Similarly, we need a frame of 3 different colors. So let us review the wheel. And if we look at the product dimension, it has 3 product dimensions: large, medium and small. Similarly, our frame has 3 colors: blue, orange and yellow, because that would ultimately determine the color of bicycle. And here we have a tire which is again being offered in 3 different sizes: large, medium and small. If we use small tire, the small will be assembled. If we use medium tire, medium will be assembled. So based on this configuration, we need to construct the BOM. And irrespective whether it's a medium size, small size or a large size bicycle, tire valve remains same, so it has no any product dimensions. So now let's create a simple BOM. In order to create a simple BOM, go to Inventory Management. Notice that in R3, Inventory and Warehouse Management are 2 different modules. Earlier, it was a single module called as Inventory and Warehouse Management. So in order to create a BOM in R3 CU9, we need to click on Inventory Management. Under the Common menu, click on Bill of Materials form. This will open up the Bill of Material form. As you can see, this form is divided into 2 sections, upper section and the lower section. Upper section shows all the bill of materials, and if particular bill of material is linked to an item, we can see the BOM version in the lower section. So this bill of material is linked to this particular item. Let's create a new bill of material for our bicycle. So we will first construct the tire valve BOM, then wheel BOM and then bicycle BOM. Click on the new button to create a new BOM. The BOM number will be generated based on the number sequence setup in the Inventory and Warehouse Management parameters. Here we can give a brief description about the BOM. So this is a tire valve BOM. Tire valve BOM. Here we can specify if this particular BOM is applicable to any site. we can select the site and restrict this BOM version to a particular site, but for now we will leave it to applicable as all sites. Then here we can select the item group. If we want to restrict this particular BOM version to a particular item group, then we can select the item group here. If we select the item group, then when we try to create a BOM version, only the items which belongs to this item group can be linked to this BOM. And we will review approved and approved by later on, but for now we leave the site and item group blank. Then for now we will not link an item, we will link it once BOM is created. But for first we will click on lines button to add the BOM components. Here we can start adding the BOM components. So first is the bolt. We will review the line type in a different video series. Here in the BOM line we can specify any applicable product dimensions like size, color, style and configuration if that is active for a particular item, but for bolt, cap and nut this is not applicable. Here we can specify the warehouse from where this component will be consumed from or picked from. However, this BOM is applicable for all sites, so we cannot specify warehouse here. Alternatively, we can select the resource consumption. If resource consumption is checked, then whenever production order gets scheduled, system will pick up the resource using which this BOM has to be assembled, and that particular resource belongs to a resource center which is ultimately linked to a production unit, and picking warehouse from the production unit will be taken as a warehouse to consume this component from. Here we can specify how many quantities of bolt we need. So we need just one piece, and here we can specify the unit of measurement. So it's a one piece or one box or 1 liter likewise. However, this unit gets defaulted from the release product form. If we go to the release product form, here for the bolt item under the engineer fast tab, here we have a BOM unit. Earlier we have learned that we can have a different sales unit, different inventory unit and different purchase unit. Similarly, we can also have a different BOM unit. So we may be keeping a stock in a box, but we can consume in a pieces. But for now we have sales, purchase, inventory and BOM unit as pieces. But whatever we specify as a BOM unit, that will get defaulted in a BOM line here. So here the BOM unit will get defaulted, that is a piece in our case. So bolt is measured in piece, 1 piece of bolt is required. And then question is, 1 piece of bolt is for how many units of finished good, that is a tire wall. For how many pieces of tire wall we need 1 piece of bolt, so that is 1. So per series defines the quantity of finished good. For how many quantity of finished good we need a quantity of BOM line. So here if I say 1000, that means to assemble the 1000 tire wall I need 1 pieces of bolt, but that's not true, because in our case to assemble 1 piece of tire wall we need 1 piece of bolt. We will review the configuration group in a different video series. We have added a bolt item. We will continue to add 2 more items, that is cap and nut. For all these 3 items we have a per series 1, because this all we need to assemble the 1 piece of tire wall. So this has been done. We have constructed the BOM of tire wall. Then as the next step, we can tell the system that this BOM is applicable for which item. So that is, we need to create a BOM version. BOM version is a link between the BOM and the item. So here we specify the item for which this BOM version is applicable. So that is a tire wall. And here again we can restrict this BOM version to a specific product dimension, site or style, but we will review these details in a different video series called creating BOMs with versions. But for now we can consider that we are linking this BOM to tire wall, so this BOM is applicable for tire wall. Yeah, and then as a next step we can create a new BOM for a wheel. So here it's a BOM for wheel. Again we leave the site field blank because this is applicable for all site and all items, and here we can select the item for which it is applicable. We can also select the item after BOM is constructed, or we can also select the item before BOM constructed if we know it. However, as we learned earlier that in the bill of materials form, it is not mandatory to specify item. We can construct the BOM without linking it to any item, and we can link the item at the later stage when BOM is confirmed. So this is especially used. This form is especially used for research and development purpose. When we want to construct a new BOM where it is in the planning stage, we can use the bill of materials form. But for now, we link the item wheel to this BOM because we know that this we are going to assemble for the wheels only. Notice that wheel has 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. For now, we will construct it for the small size wheel. So specify the size dimension. And here we can say BOM for small size wheel. We can have a different BOM for medium and large size wheel, but for now we will use the small size wheel, and we will construct the BOM for a small size wheel. And then click on lines. Here we can start adding the items. So first we will click on tire. Tire again being offered in the 3 different sizes, so we need to select the size. Since this is the BOM for a small size wheel, we need to use the small size tire. And then we can specify the quantity for tire. To manufacture 1 piece of wheel, we need a 1 piece of tire. Then we click on new and add a tire valve, and we need a 1 piece of tire valve to manufacture 1 piece of wheel. And finally spoke. Notice that we need a 32 pieces of spoke to manufacture 1 piece of wheel. Then we are done with the construction of the wheel BOM. We will review other details in a different video series. For now, just focus on the basic details like quantities and per series and item number. This is how we can add a BOM lines to the BOM. So we are done with the wheel BOM. So we hope that now you got a better idea about how to construct a BOM using the bill of materials form. We will create a bicycle BOM using the BOM Designer form. So first let's review what is the BOM Designer form, and then we will come back here and construct the BOM of bicycle using the BOM Designer form. So this is how the BOM Designer form looks like. We created the BOM for wheel and tire valve using the BOM form. Alternatively, we can also use the BOM Designer form to create and edit the BOM, and we will create a BOM for bicycle using the BOM Designer form. But before we create it, let us understand the BOM Designer form first. BOM Designer form provides a visual tree structure view of a BOM. It is accessed directly from either the bill of materials form or from the release product list form. The BOM Designer form is an alternative for users who prefer to work with BOMs by using a graphical user interface instead of a linear one. In order to add BOM lines, user can move the items from right pane to the BOM that is in the left pane, either by double clicking the item or use the drag and drop method. We can use the BOM Designer form to create a new BOM versions or edit the existing one, edit and delete BOM lines, check BOM for errors, for example BOM circularity errors, to check which BOM versions are attached to the selected BOM, check which sites the BOM versions are assigned to, print BOM and BOM lines for the selected BOM, verify the site to which BOM line belongs. So let us review the product demonstration about how to construct a BOM using the BOM Designer form. So we will construct the BOM of bicycle using the BOM Designer form. Click on new, and here you can say that bicycle BOM, small size, blue color. We leave the site and item group blank for now, and instead of using the lines button, we will use the Designer form and we will construct the BOM. But before we start constructing the BOM, we will link item. So we will link item to it. That's a road bicycle, and here we can specify the size and color for which it is applicable. So it is applicable for small size and blue color, and save the record. And then we can use Designer form. Click on Designer button to access the Designer form, and here we can start adding the components. So here first of all we will filter all the components using the, so we need a wheel, we need a frame, we need a handlebar, we need a chain assembly, we need a saddle. And in order to add a BOM component, just double click the component. So we will click on double click on wheel, and since wheel has a product dimension active that must be specified, so we need to specify the size. So that's a small size wheel, and click on OK, and you can see that wheel has been added. Then click on chain assembly, it has been added. Click on frame. Again, frame has a color which we need to specify. So whenever that's a product dimension is active, system will ask us to specify it before we add it as a line. So it's for a blue color, so we add a blue color frame. Then click on handlebar, handlebar is added. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop. Click drag and drop here, and it will be added in the last. So saddle is also added, and one more component is that is pedal. So we will filter out pedal, and we double click here. So pedal is also gets added. So we have now the BOM for the bicycle has already been constructed, and here ideally we should wheel is a sub BOM, so we should see the icon of sub BOM. But the reason why the wheel is being shown as an item and not as a sub BOM, because the default order type determines whether this item will be purchased or produced. For currently the default order type is set to purchase, that's why it's being shown as an item. If we set it to production, then it will appear as a sub BOM, because that is something we need to assemble in-house. So we will change the default order type for a wheel and the tire valve, because both of these are sub BOM. So in order to do that, click on release product form, select the wheel. Under the manage inventory action menu, click on default order settings and select this default order type under the general tab from purchase order to production, because this we will assemble in-house and will not purchase from the vendor. Similarly for the tire valve, select the default order as production. And now if we will close and access the designer form again, then we can see that wheel is being shown as sub BOM. But however, it tells that no active bill of material version exists, so we need to at least activate and approve the version for wheel, then we can see it as a tree structure. So but for now you just do not worry. What does it mean? We will anyway review it in a different video series where of creating a BOM with versions. So for now we will just approve. For now you can consider that in order to use the BOM version, we need to approve and activate it. So we will first approve it and then activate it, and as you can see, this is now active and approved. Similarly, we also need to do it for tire valve. Here we specify the person who is responsible for approval, and first we need to approve before we activate, and then we can activate it. So now if we go to the BOM Designer form, here we can see that now wheel is sub BOM having an active BOM version. If we collapse this, we can see the BOM for wheel. So it's made up from tire valve. The tire valve is again made up from bolt, nut, cap. The information what we see in the BOM Designer form, here we are seeing the item number, item description, quantity and unit of measurement. We can control the information being displayed here by using the setup tab. Under the setup tab we can tell okay what we would like to see. So let's say we would also like to see the size. Wherever size is applicable, it will get displayed. We would also like to see color. Frame is having color, so it will also display the color for the frame, and size for the wheel and tire. We can also select a few additional details like sub BOM, to date, from date. So from here we can control the information what we would like to see in the designer form. So as you can see now, for the frame we can see the color blue, and for the tire we can see the size S small, and for wheel also we can see the size S. Here we can see the format in which this tree structure is being displayed. So first is the item number, then size, then color, then name, then quantity, and then unit. If you want to edit this BOM line, click on select the BOM line and then click on edit, and here we can edit, like we can select the per series quantity. This is the same information as we seen when we click on lines button, and we can add the BOM component. So here we see all this required information, the same information what we seen in the BOM lines form. So for now we don't edit, but this is just want to show you how we can edit the BOM line. Here alternatively you can also right click and click on edit, and it will open up the same form, edit BOM line form. You can remove this BOM line by clicking on delete, and here click on check. It will check for the circularity errors. So let's say if BOM has a circularity, that means BOM is a part of itself, that means wheel is a part of itself. Then it will detect the circularities, and it will, here we can say check circularities, and which version we want to check for. So that's the current one, that's the active one, and here we can specify the BOM number which we want to search for the circularity error. Click on OK, and it would inform that if there are any errors, it would inform about the same. If there are no errors, then it would inform accordingly. Here we can select this particular product, let's say tire wall or a wheel, and then we can click on edit BOM versions to edit the BOM version. So here, if let's say if you want to change any details on the BOM version, we can change it from here. So the BOM Designer form is providing multiple functions from the single form, and finally we can also print the BOM. If you have the printers and setup, then it will print the BOM, and we can here control whether we want to show BOM lines, versions or formula, and here we can restrict how many levels we want to print. Let's say this is a 3-level BOM, so we can say maximum we want to print 3 levels, or alternatively leave it blank, it will print the complete BOM. And here we have a selection criteria, how we want to get it printed. We want to email someone, or we want to use printer, or we want to get it printed on a screen, so that you can specify it here. And here you can select whether you would like to see color, sizes and style, but for now we will not print it. So these are the few functions. Under the setup, we also have a few legends which we need to understand. Item type of service, this is the legend which will be used. This is for item type. When there is a missing version, it will show cross mark. When there is an active version, it will show as an active version, and this is about inactive version, and this information is about the current BOM. So this is just for information purpose. Based on the legends what you see here, you can easily determine whether it's a service type of item, or item being purchased, or it's a sub BOM. And on the right hand side pan, you can see all the items, and you can start adding them to construct the BOM. So BOM Designer provides a visual structure, and user can see it in a tree structure form. So this is for user who prefers to work with the graphical user interface. Also it's gives a complete overview of the BOM, so we can see the complete BOM in a tree structure. So we hope that now you got a better idea about the BOM Designer form, the kind of functions it can perform, and how to add items or how to construct a BOM using the BOM Designer form. Thank you for watching this video.